Someone left water in their engine, and now it's not good. I have a picture or a video of this running before I took it apart that we'll put in. But yeah, that was on the grader.
Cue a clip of the 3-cylinder grader. It might have an exhaust leak. Might be overheating too. But she's a runner. Time to get her out. So we gotta get this old miserable piece of shit of a log chipper out. We'll tell you why in a little bit. Here's a hint.
471 Detroit.
So we finally got it in here. And this thing is old and miserable. But the reason we got it in here is we want to yank the motor out of this thing and put it in this old galleon grader back here. Because the old Continental that was in here blew. Yeah, let's just say that. She ain't the prettiest, but
She loves it.
it was operational before the motor came out. So it's got a 471 Detroit in it with the blower, 4-cylinder. And just looking around this motor, it looks like it's a runner. It is an old Detroit,
The guy
so
that
it'll run.
owned it before said he had it running, so
How many years ago?
probably 5 now. Probably about 5 years ago.
Yeah, so it should fire right up, hopefully. It's
The oil don't have water in it. I mean, it ain't been changed, but coolant, how's that look?
It's got coolant and it's green.
Clean green?
Yep, clean and green.
Yeah, I mean, I
Alright.
think we should start by taking this chute off. Get that out of the way. Might as well pull this.
Yeah, pull everything, pull belts, pull the chute.
Pull this cover, yeah.
And then we want to see if it'll fire up before we take it out.
So.
I think the story behind this is the drum is smoked.
Yeah,
The
the bearings in that drum are smoked.
Alright, so I got a ton of shit off it. We got a battery on it, jump pack. And we're just gonna go right for it. Well, that was too easy.
Jesus Christ.
It's like it was fucking, they shut it off yesterday. All right. Got the hood off now. Got the fuel lines off. It's working on.
Try to pull a radiator and everything in one shot.
Yeah, we're gonna try doing everything in one go.
See what the fucking cherry pickers got for it. What are you leaking?
So we got everything unhooked. Got the hoist on it. And it's wiggling, but it ain't coming off because the back of this thing is so fucking heavy, you can't pull the motor off it. So we're jacking it up right now. Coming?
Yeah.
Well, she's out. Setup's a little janky on the hoist. We're gonna try and take this PTO off. And then set her on some blocks. Watch your toes. Oh, she's real light on the back.
That was heavy as fuck.